we're gonna do a quick test drive here. We got 37,000 miles on the odometer. Now we're not gonna really get on the truck. You can go check that out on social media. We're just gonna make sure the truck drives straight, shifts good, just typical everyday driving scenarios. Hitting on the brakes here. Brakes are awesome. They bite perfect. Typical creaks from the suspension. Nothing out of the ordinary. And we're on a really bumpy road. Now you're gonna hear the creaks, but the actual suspension feels really good. It takes those bumps really well. The alignment is solid, steering's perfectly straight. No complaints there. You're gonna get the kind of trippy blinking here because of the upgraded LED headlights. So you're gonna see them blinking a little quick here, but the actual light itself is blinking normal on the outside. We'll get on it here in just a second, and I'm talking 30%. You want to see this thing go all out, Sean can do it for you, or go check out those YouTube videos. We are in 2-wheel drive, traction control on, all the typical stuff. Just turn the truck on and go. And here's just kind of a little pull. Just being really easy on it. Like I said, this thing is an absolute monster. All right, guys, we have a really special truck here. This is Sean Ellington's, and you may know him as Murder Nova from Street Outlaws. This is his personal truck. Check out the website for the entire build list, and if you want to see this thing run down the track, it's all over YouTube, TikTok, all the socials. Go follow his channel. You can see this thing in action. It's a proven truck built by the best, and it is absolutely wicked. Now, you got the slicks on here. It also comes with the stock wheel and tire setup. All gloss black, looks really good. So if you want to kind of daily drive the truck, you don't have to run on just the slicks. We're going to do a visual condition report. So we're just going to go inside and out of this truck, just looking for any imperfections. If you want to see this thing in action, like I said, go on social media. You can see this thing run. But this is just going to be going through panel by panel, looking for little imperfections and things like that. So looking at the gold, you got the gold accents, all color matched front end, mirrors, door handles, bumpers, all of that looks really, really good. Checking out the rims, look at this. You got the Bogarts, kind of that gold metallic flake on it. Looks super good. A couple little spots where it's kind of chipped away. But overall in phenomenal condition. Looking at the brakes. Those look really good. Fender looks amazing. Got the gold plate here on that. Looks awesome. A-pillars nice and clean. Color matched side mirrors. Couple little imperfections, but overall really, really nice. Looking at the door. That looks good. Got the color matched door handles. All of that's perfect. Making our way down the bed. That's in great condition. Wheel looks amazing. Little peek in there. That looks awesome. Beautiful bed liner, nice and clean. All of this is in perfect condition back here. Got the window tint on it, real light, probably a 50% with the eyebrow. Making our way across the hood. You do have a larger rock chip there, being like an Oxford white. These are super easy to touch up. There's only a couple. The upper side looks amazing. Got the STX front end here, all color matched. Looks good. Headlights look awesome. Couple little rock chips here and there. Got one right there. Got the gold here, nice and clean. Lower valence, that's in great condition. A couple little scuffs here and there. That front end looks mean. Very, very nice. Scanning that fender. One tiny rock chip there. Lower side looks good. Wheels look amazing. Here on the side mirror, a couple little impacts, but overall very nice. A-pillar looks good. We do have a chip down there. Making our way down that bed, nice and clean. That wheel looks awesome. Taillights are crystal clear. A little scuff on the plastic there. Got the gold. You do have a chip right here, or a couple chips and a little scratch. That taillight looks good. Bumper down here. You do have some gashes on that plastic. Otherwise, looks really good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. You got the cat skin leather. Looks awesome. You have the massive screen. Really, really nice. Checking out that door panel. Upper section looks good. All power. Got a little scratch right here on the plastic. Got the vinyl flooring. Like I said, cat skin leather. Very, very soft. That bolster's in great condition. Same here. Love the pattern. Looks really good. Steering wheel. All the buttons look good. Gauges look clean. Got the automatic headlights. Upper side of the dash, that's in great condition. Looking at the screen, you do have the screen protector on there, so you're going to see a little scuffs here and there, but that's just in the screen protector. That looks good. 4-wheel drive. You can flip this console up. You also have your seatbelt connector here, so you don't have to roll around with your seatbelt on, which I don't recommend, of course. Other than that, this interior looks amazing. Very, very nice. All right, checking out this door panel. Looks great. Power windows, power locks, the whole nine. Got the vinyl flooring. Got the cat skin leather. Stitching looks good. I love the inserts here. Super soft. That looks really nice. They also did the leather here. A couple little scuffs on the glove box. Upper side of the dash looks good. Massive screen. Now you're going to see some light markings, but that's the screen protector. So you can see it on the edge. It hasn't even been peeled off yet. So peel that sucker off and that screen will be perfect. So we'll leave that up to the next buyer to do that. So just ignore those light little scuffs. That's just in that protector. Got your little port there. Upper side looks good. Headliner nice and clean. Like I said, you got the eyebrow here on the top side. This side is beautiful. Really, really nice. All right, checking out the engine bay. Got the color matched intake and Whipple. That looks awesome. Like I said, we'll have the entire build sheet on the website with all the goodies. Battery is from 3 of 24, a Ford battery, AGM, really, really nice. Just gonna scan through this. Plastics are in great condition. Filter's nice and clean. Love the color matching here. Looks awesome here on the underside. All of that's in great condition. Very, very nice. While we're here, check out the headlights when you hit unlock. Got the LED. That looks really good.